So hello guys, welcome to my channel, and uh, this is actually the Income School Project 24 timeline Excel sheet which I have downloaded from I guess Amazon. So it's free actually, and I will give you the link of this in description also. Okay, so see guys, we will now check where I am today according to Income School. Okay, I am not a member firstly, but let's see. I am only writing articles according to what they say. I am assuming actually that I am following their way. Okay, so for first month authority site started, and this they followed. Continue working on first site. Okay, step 40, lots of writing. So guys, there are so many hints that you get from this sheet. Lots of writing this month, but the end goal will be worth it. They are saying the truth. It will be worth it. And the third month you will finish the 60 steps on. Okay, you have your first seed in ground. Look through the course and make sure you followed the recipe completely. Every step is there. Okay, so 3 months you have to follow the 60 steps. Okay, and fourth month you will start getting some traffic. They say that 15 users, 15 page views in fourth month. They have predicted this. Okay, and when you are writing in these 3 months articles, the work you have done, it will fetch out this 15 page views on fourth month. So then they say in fourth month start working on site 2, means you should be opening a new site. Okay, you will go through the site setup steps. Okay, so they are saying that follow those all steps you have followed and reach to 27th step. Okay, so in fifth month, I guess in fifth month you can see they are assuming you will get 55 55 page views. Okay, in first site. Okay, I don't know why this is showing 55 in site 2 also. Maybe they started the site 2 also in start. Maybe. Okay, so I will focus on this area, this part I mean. Okay, so in fourth month, in first month, let me clear out this one. Okay, so in first month let's see, in first month here I worked from July, so I get 3 users and 140 page views. Okay, 140 page views. So I got 3 user and 140 page views. In second month I got 14 users and 189 total page views. I mean, wait, okay, let me select the page views thing so that I get a clear picture on this one. Okay. no, page users are the real thing here. Okay, so in second month I got 14, 189. 14 user, 189 page views. I'm hoping. In third month also I did not. According to them, you should be getting 000. So let's check my third month. It's 75 organic traffic. Okay. So yes, 75. In starting months, this all user would be high. I was testing the site and also the speed. So I have tested it in many platforms. I guess speed test tools. So this is high. In second month, maybe somewhat I check. In third month, no, I did not check. The data of third, fourth, and fifth month is clear. Okay, no testing is there, only article publishing. So in third month, I got 75 organic users. Okay, or 255. 75 and 255. Okay, fourth month they are saying that you will get 15 page views. Okay, so you will start getting the page views, actual traffic from Google. So in fourth month, I got 144 users. Okay, and yes, 144 users in fourth month. 54, and all users are 189. Okay, 189. In fifth month, this is actually the last part is actually half a month. Okay, today is 16 and it is half a month, 1 November to 16 November, and it is still half a month. So in half a month I got 149 organic users and all users are 175. So 149 and 179, I guess. So this is half month, by the way. This is half month. So they are saying that you will get 55. So I already predicted. So if even I count the user, not page views, then it is 3 times more. Yes. Okay, 3 times more it is. Okay, so if I select the page views, then it is more than what they are selected. If I select the page views, if you see, if I count the page views, organic traffic page views, then it is 352 this month. Okay, so this count, this is 55 they are saying, and I got 352 traffic. Okay, last month it is more than, and let me tell you, this is half month. Okay, 15 days only. So I am not saying this key that this is full month, and still it will go higher. Okay, and last month you can see organic traffic 606. Okay, previous month 492. So this is how they will it goes. So let me give you some data on my last month only. My data from 17th to 17th October to 16th November. My fourth month data. So guys, as you can see, I have got 263 users till now, and it's full fourth month users, all users, and there are new user, means 3 users are old and 260 are new. So they visited my site for the first time, and page views are 864. In 864, 574 are organic traffic. Okay, so all users 58 seconds, organic 21 seconds. Actually, the people I am getting from Google, they are only checking the answer. I have answered many questions in my article, and they are only checking the answer and going back. So I don't know, bounce rate is not going up and down here. You can see the organic bounce rate. They are actually getting the answer and moving back to where they want to. Okay, so let me show you the country wise traffic. So most traffic comes from United States, then UK, then Canada, then India, and then Australia, then New Zealand. Okay, so most traffic. Okay, so organic traffic percentage is 84.79. Okay guys, and let me show you one more thing, and that is in my site in full 4th month. Okay, this is the ending of 4th month, and the impression count is gone up, and now I am receiving the 300 plus impressions, so it's good. But I have to write more articles so that I can get the traffic. Okay, because this is very low. Okay, so by the way, page views are 864 total. Okay, so today I also got 8 clicks from organic traffic. Most of them are coming from United States. Impressions are 118, Canada, then Australia, then Netherlands. Okay, then Norway also. Okay, so until this one is low, I will not get the best most clicks. I have to. It will increase day by day, I guess, but I have to write more posts. Okay, so at the end of 4th month, I have written 57 articles. This month 8 articles added, and and total site has total 57 article. Okay, so and I have started a new website, and that is totally based on display traffic. Okay, display advertising. Okay, I'm not focusing on Amazon. I think that will be not profitable for me. Okay, and yes, then that's why display is more good enough than, because Amazon cut the commission rates very lower, and I should move to display advertising than this one. So I will be once I hit the 100 mark, I will apply for AdSense. Yeah, although I already applied for AdSense in my 21 post site, that is this one, but it's got rejected. I know why it's rejecting, and I have my 3rd website ready, and it has 1 post this month published. Okay, and the niche is very simple. It's not targeted, it's not very much popular. So this is my update, and also check my other videos. I have created logo making and other things also. If you are interested in AdSense approval, then please comment below, so I will post videos on how to get approval in AdSense, okay, and how to solve all the errors you are having. ठीक? So, and check out my other videos. They are very good enough to understand and to help you build your website. I may be thinking of taking out making other videos like how to start a website and how to write your first post, how to write the post, that things. Please comment down below if you what do you want me to publish next on the video, which will be helpful to you, okay. And thank you guys for watching this video, and you like this, then hit subscribe and press the bell icon. Just when you subscribe the button, it will show the bell. Press it, and this will make sure my video, whenever I upload, it will reach to you. Thank you.